A little people-watching hack for you. When you see a person who really leans into the emotion of disgust, and they're almost performative with it, this is the very same person who feels deeply susceptible on some level to the very thing that they are rejecting. See, the emotion of disgust is triggered by being in the presence of something or someone whose values and attributes misalign to your own. And so we feel this need to reject that thing. Get it away from me. And it can motivate behaviors that are very literal, like vomiting up a substance out of your system. Or with people, it can manifest in, fundamentally rejecting a group of people, or attacking the character, or really making it known that you do not associate with those people. So the obvious example I want to talk about is homophobia, which is this fear of homosexuality, but really it's a fear of femininity. And in particular, any form of femininity that doesn't fit into a very elementary school caliber conception of gender. And so the people who feel this homophobia the most intensely, who are like borderline aggressive with it, well, there is a direct correlation between the disgust that they are exhibiting and the susceptibility that they feel to that very thing. They actually internalize that being in the presence of this thing, or even like seeing it online, it somehow is going to corrupt them, merely being in the presence of it. That it's like some contagion that could get into a weakened immune system and corrupt it from the inside out. Now, these people, to feel that way, that level of susceptibility, and another way of saying it is insecurity, well, you have to have a very fragile sense of self and a very weak worldview in order to feel that level of susceptibility to something that harmless. Because let's look at the flip side. If there's a person who can associate and be around other things and people whose values don't align to their own, but they are unbothered, and that they don't feel like it's some threat to who they are and their worldview, well, that is a secure person. A person who doesn't feel the need to exhibit their disgust towards the people that are different on aesthetic levels. So, my question for you, people watchers, is the next time you see somebody really hamming up their disgust, ask yourself, what is the susceptibility that lies behind that?